The National Herald case, as we're looking at the heat that's currently on the Gandhis. For the first time, the Enforcement Directorate has charge-sheeted Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi in the National Herald case. A political flashpoint, of course, is now reignited. The ED has also named Congress veterans Sam Pitroda and Suman Dubey. The charge sheet was filed in Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, hearing all set to happen on the 25th of April. The case revolves around the Associated Journals Limited, the AJL company, founded by Jawaharlal Nehru and other Congress leaders back in 1937 to publish the National Herald. It was meant to be a non-profit media voice of the freedom movement. The ED alleges that Young Indian Pvt Ltd, a company owned by Sonia and Rahul Gandhi, took over AJL's assets worth over 2,000 crores for just 50 lakhs. This move, the agency says, was in violation of Section 8 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, PMLA, which prohibits profits from charitable trusts being diverted. ED has further claimed 988 crores was laundered through this deal. So far, assets worth 661 crores have been seized, including National Herald House, located in Delhi, a Mumbai property, and a bungalow in Lucknow. The case was originally triggered by a complaint from the BJP leader Subramanian Swamy in 2013. Congress is now calling for a political vendetta. In fact, they call this political vendetta itself. Now, Ashok Gehlot and a host of other Congress leaders have slammed this move. Ashok Gehlot particularly says this is an assault on democracy, saying it's aimed at financially crippling the Congress party. You also had Jairam Ramesh, who put out a post on X terming this state-sponsored crime masquerading as the rule of law. Now, while the Congress slams this move, we're looking at hours earlier, before this charge sheet was filed, Priyanka Gandhi's husband, Robert Vadra, was grilled by the Enforcement Directorate in a separate land case in Haryana. So where does this really go next? Will this case really stand in the court of law? This is certainly the biggest blow yet for the Gandhis, who've long projected a fairly clean public image. Whether this case really holds in court or crumbles under legal scrutiny, eventually we'll decide if this is justice or just political theatrics.
ईडी नहीं इडियट है, कुछ भी कर सकते, कोई परवाह नहीं हमें। ये साजिश है कांग्रेस पार्टी को नस्तानाबूद करने की, मोदी जी की साजिश है। ईडी तो इडियट है, जो मर्जी उसको कराया जा सकते हैं, उसमें हमें कोई परवाह नहीं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ते। चलो आगे आप लोग लड़ाई करेंगे? अरे बिल्कुल करेंगे। मोदी जी को और बीजेपी पार्टी को हम डरते नहीं, ईडी सीबीआई से हम डरने वाला नहीं हूँ।
Years ago, when this was initiated, the National Herald case is a one-trick wonder where this government has started a money laundering investigation without there being any movement of money, any movement of property, any activity which caused a transfer. Merely a not-for-profit company was created to manage the affairs of National Herald, where no dividends can be paid, no commercial transactions take place, and the mere creation of that company with Ms. Sonia Gandhi and other members of the Gandhi family or the late Mr. Motilal Vora has been treated as an act of money laundering. Now there is nothing more except a charge sheet filed in a fake case.